Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer Robinhood crypto to Coinbase. First, understand that direct crypto transfers from Robinhood are available for specific cryptocurrencies, not all. You must ensure both your Robinhood and Coinbase accounts are fully verified to proceed. Additionally, confirm that Coinbase supports the exact cryptocurrency you intend to move. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and successful transfer process between the two platforms. To begin on Robinhood, open your app and go to the crypto section. Choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Then, select the option to send or withdraw. You will need to input the recipient's wallet address, which you will obtain from your Coinbase account. Always double-check this address carefully, as incorrect entries can lead to irreversible loss of funds. Now, switch over to your Coinbase account. Log in and find the Receive or Deposit option for cryptocurrency. It is vital to select the identical cryptocurrency you are sending from Robinhood. Coinbase will then generate a unique deposit wallet address for that specific asset. Copy this address precisely. It is a long string of characters and numbers. This address is where your crypto will be sent. With the Coinbase deposit address copied, return to Robinhood and paste it into the withdrawal field. Before confirming, meticulously review all the transfer details, especially the cryptocurrency type, the amount, and the destination address. A small error can result in permanent loss. Confirm the transaction, often requiring two-factor authentication. Monitor both your Robinhood and Coinbase accounts for the transfer to complete, which can take several minutes to a few hours.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.